in July at Jolly Rogers.
All right, we always come on a rainy day in case we get a park closure and you get a pass to come back another day. So that's our strategy here this week. Also, you don't have hot concrete to walk on, and the park is empty. We're the first people in the door, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Here we go. We like to go on the scariest rides first. That like button. I hope you enjoyed this portion of our vacation. It is going to be a great week here at Ocean City, Maryland. Woo!